Good morning, everyone. It's a little cool out today, but I got some stuff I want to do, and I guess you guys are going to see it in the video, but on that trailer I have some stuff. We decided, oh, what the heck, we got most of the material already, so might as well start doing it now. So that'll be a video. But we have this. A Huffy. The Huffy is actually my son's, and his godparents gave it to them, and his godparents are my sister and her husband. So they also have a shop. I'll list it in below. If you're new to the channel, my name's Matt. My wife's name is Sara, and we own a laser engraving company, and we also do homesteading on the side. My son has no clue that I'm doing this, so I'm gonna put it together for him, let them play with that, and then I'm gonna start on that project over there. Let's see how hard it is. Alright, so I got it all done. I didn't put the reflectors on. He's pretty short, so I don't want him. I got to have the seat all the way down, so I'll save these and put them in the garage for when he gets older. Let's bring it down and see what he says. Hey!
Oh, that's a big bite. Whoa.
This is yours.
That's big.
What do you think?
Way bigger bite.
Is that cool or what? It's got a kickstand right here.
What does that kickstand do? It keeps it up.
Yeah.
Oh. Right here. Okay.
Sit on it and see if it's the right height. Oh yeah, that'll work. And this is a brake, or you can pedal backwards is another brake, okay?
Can you put that down?
No, you don't want it down until you're off. So why don't you push it to the bottom of the hill and practice down there first.
So Matt is outside right now and the kids are outside. He just built our 5-year-old's bike. He had gotten it for his birthday over the winter and now it's finally nice enough he could get it built. So he went ahead and built it and our 5-year-old is riding it around. It's a little big for him, but he is doing great. So it was really fun to go watch that. I thought I would get some computer work done. Baby's sleeping. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work on editing some videos. Good morning. It's Monday morning.
How's everyone going today? I hope good and enjoying this.
I went ahead and took all the videos off of the chip and those are all loading to the computer now. So while those are loading, I'm going to get some cleaning done. With 4 kids, it seems like there's always something to clean up or pick up. It's Saturday. We like to use Saturday to get a lot of projects done. Oh my, Matt's got a big project going. I don't think I'm supposed to say what it is, but involves a trailer full of supplies and 3 really happy kids out there trying to figure out how they are going to help. I fill everybody's water bottles up for the day because I know that the second they come in they are going to be so thirsty running around out there. I just had to record what was going on out the window. My daughter's trying to pull this board out of the trailer, which is kind of hilarious to watch. This morning she got on her little purple garden gloves and hid her hands behind her back, and when Matt came out to go outside she surprised him and said, "I got my working girl gloves on, I'm gonna be a working girl." She just loves her daddy, wants to help so much, so awesome. Still not quite done downloading, so always stuff to clean up around here. With everything going on in the world right now, everything just seems so different. Today is supposed to be our 1-year-old's birthday party. And we had to cancel it, and I know that's hugely minor compared to some things, but it seems so weird. So what we did is we went ahead on his birthday and we recorded pretty much his whole day, and now that's the video I'm gonna put together. Today is just a video of his birthday day, all the birthday phone calls he got and all the happy birthday singings and the gifts he got to open. Sorry, that's our Roomba, Rosie, just cleaning for us, helping me to get something done. But we went ahead and we recorded that whole day from his birthday, and I'm hoping to get that video finished, and I'm just gonna send it out to family, just kind of to be able to enjoy his birthday in some way today, since we were supposed to all be together celebrating. So my parents actually stopped by yesterday and dropped off his gift, and it was totally weird because they left it outside and waved to the kids through the door, and it was weird. Our daughter, she's 3, she really just wanted to give grandma a hug, and she just did not understand, like, why can't I just go? She's right there, I can just give her a hug, and it was awful. Last one's downloading, and then I'll get working on his birthday video.